We're in a really unique setting. We're far up Little Cottonwood Road, and that is the most avalanche-threatened road in the lower 48 of the United States. We can qualify as what they might call austere medicine, which means to say limited resources. The Snowbird Clinic's been open for 5 seasons. We are staffed every day, 7 days of the week during skier services at Snowbird with a physician, either a non-operative sports doc from the Department of Orthopedics or a doc from the emergency department. We have residents of all kinds up here. We also staff with critically care trained nurses and x-ray techs, and for half of the week we also have an athletic trainer.
Not many mountains have physicians that are on hill, on skis, ready to help respond with a patrol. And that means that we can bring a pretty high level of care.
We receive patients off the hill brought to us by gurney from Ski Patrol or walk-ins, but most of our patients probably come in because patrol brings them.
It's not like being in a nice warm hospital where you have nurses and EMTs and CT scanners and medications. It's kind of a little bit more freeform. We have tools, we have protocols, we train different scenarios, and having the physician integration into that, it allows them to understand what the patrol is doing and help assist.
Having a doctor there, having the doctor with the tools to do any type of emergency interventions is key. I mean, we've saved a lot of lives because we've had University of Utah doctors on this staff as ski patrollers on a daily basis, and it really does make the difference.
We serve a lot of locals and tourists alike, but we offer the same excellent care that the university is known for right here in our tiny little clinic.
On hill, you're dealing with those life-threatening emergencies, and it's practical, it's hands-on, it's rewarding, and you get to serve your community in a way that I think is unique.
It's like a little taste of small town medicine up here.
We can really provide not only just good medical care, but just good people care. And getting to be a part of that is awesome, and it fills the cup.